And here comes the audio test. On the top here seems to have a flavor. You can actually put like scents in there. There's a timer right here. It's kind of hard to see. Timer, UV lighting, power. Right now it's in the nighttime mode, which is super quiet. I can barely even hear it. This is level 1. There you go. Very subtle noise. Level 2, you can clearly hear it. High velocity. Back to the night mode. Super quiet. And just so you know, the filter underneath here is wrapped in plastic when you first get it. So you need to remove the plastic from the filter when you get this new. Don't forget.